encountered on the road. If you notice up ahead, the white pickup truck with numerous materials stuck in the back of it. Now that should set off some warning bells, because we have no idea how securely fastened that load is. So when you find yourself behind a vehicle like this, a couple choices. One is back off. Give yourself extra room to maneuver, extra following distance in case something does pop out. And the second is obviously to pass that vehicle when it's safe and you have plenty of space to do so. Next time you're on the road, notice these items. Set off those warning bells, and depending on the traffic flow, pick one way or the other to handle it. I'm Hal Deily with Snyder's Riders, and for more, check out the Snyder's Riders YouTube channel for our entire catalog of videos.